Okay, siku section 1.6 inombolo yethu elandelayo number 26. Sicela ukuthi sithole i-inverse i-formula ye-inverse yale function lena esinikezwe yona e to the power x divided by 1 plus 2e to the power x. Zokhumbula ukuthi ukuthola inverse okokuqala sifaka u-x kube u-y and u-y kube u-x. So lapha singabhala ukuthi x equal to e to the power y divided by 1 plus 2 e to the power y. Lokho kusinikeza iformula lapho masikhumbula kahle ukuthi i-domain ka f inverse i-range ka f. Ngakho ke sizoswapha lapha u-x no y ukuze sithole i-inverse yethu. And then the next task yethu ukuthi bese sesisolva ke le equation lena senza u-y abe yi-subject yethu. Ukuthi senze kanjalo kufanele ukuthi sicale sisuse le fraction lena sesithatha sithi x plus 2x e to the power y equal to e to the power y. And then sifuna uku-isolate lama terms ano y khona, ngakho ke sizothi e to the power y sifactorize sithola u-2x minus 1 equal to minus x. Masuka ke lapho sesingasho ukuthi e to the power y is equal to x divided by 1 minus 2x lapho. And then ngenxa yokuthi u-y wethu uyi-exponent yalo e to the power y, singathatha i-natural log ezindaweni zozimbili lapho sizothola ukuthi u-y uyi-natural log ka x divided by 1 minus 2x. Sesenzeke lapho u-y abe yi-subject yethu, and then sesingasho ukuthi inverse yethu ngile function lena, i-inverse yale function lena.